All right, yes, it's lighting time in the Lath house. We knew we were going to be updating the lighting. We're putting all LEDs in here. Super, super cool, super energy efficient. But more important than energy efficient is they are super pretty and they're super sparkly. Is that okay to say? Super sparkly? Yeah, they are. But we have 3 of these. This is just one 330-foot string of lights that's going up here. We're going to put 3 of these in, so that's going to be 990 feet of lighting with one every... I'm not going to worry about the math. We're going to throw this up. Not quite throw it up. We're going to put it up, and then we will show you how we did that. All kinds of fun stuff, and then let's get sparkling.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did. My oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.
Number 964. Only 120 to go. Ben, is putting the last bulb in. We lost count on how many that is. A lot. Oh! Cool beans, there it is, the last one. Over 1,000 feet. Hey, it's golden hour. Over there. Doesn't matter. There it is. Check it out. But the cool thing is we're extending golden hour right here. We're done. Woo, woo, woo. Kind of exciting. Over 1,100 feet of commercial grade, beautiful wire was hung, and I don't even know how many lights. 1,000+ lights up there. All LED like we mentioned before. But she just sparkles. It is so bloody pretty. I can't wait for weddings. Probably won't be any wedding shots in this video, but there'll be some out there. So pretty doggone exciting. Thanks to Ben for filming. Woo! And hanging a little wire. Just a little. Hey, project's done. Glenn at the Gardens of Castle Rock. Thanks so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos, leave us a comment, make sure you check out some of the photos of the amazing weddings that happen right here in the Lath house. Woo!